Have you ever stopped to think that you might be aging your skin without even realizing it? I know, it sounds scary. But what if I told you that some of the things you do every day, thinking you're taking care of your skin, are actually speeding up wrinkles, sagging, and that tired look you're trying so hard to hide? I spent years making these same mistakes. Here at Renewed U40s, I'm sharing these discoveries with you because I know I'm not alone on this journey. So welcome. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to stop doing and what you need to start right now. Because after 40, every choice matters. And you deserve to feel confident every time you look in the mirror. Let me tell you something. A few years ago, I was obsessed with skincare. I had a huge routine, shelves full of expensive products, and still, my skin looked duller, thinner, more tired. I'd look in the mirror and think, why isn't this working? Why do I look older than I feel? And you know what it was? I was doing everything wrong. I was using too many products in the wrong order, ignoring essential things and focusing on the wrong ones. I was using too many products in the wrong order, ignoring essential things and focusing on the wrong ones. But the truth is that skincare after 40 isn't about having more products. It's about having the right products used the right way. And when I finally understood that, my skin started to change. Not overnight, of course, but consistently, really visibly. And today, I want to share that with you. So let's get straight to the point. I'm going to show you the mistakes I was making and that you probably making right now too. And I'm not judging you, okay? And because I know how frustrating it can be to invest time, money, and energy and not see results. The first mistake, skipping sunscreen because you're not going outside. Look, I know you've heard this 1,000 times, but let me be very clear. The sun ages your skin through the window. Blue light from your computer and phone does too. If you're not using sunscreen every single day, you're literally throwing away the rest of your routine. Because nothing, absolutely nothing, will work if you don't protect your skin every day. The second mistake, using products that are too harsh thinking you'll get faster results. I did this for years. I used super strong acids, exfoliated every day, products that left my skin red and irritated because I thought that was a sign it was working. But it wasn't. After 40, our skin gets thinner, more sensitive. It needs care, not aggression. And when you damage your skin's protective barrier, you make everything worse. Dehydration, sensitivity, even wrinkles show up more. The third mistake, ignoring your neck and hands. This one still hurts. Because I took such good care of my face but completely forgot about my neck and hands. And you know what happens? These areas give away our age faster than our face. So there's no point in having flawless facial skin if your neck is sagging and your hands are full of spots. Everything needs to be treated together. The fourth mistake, not hydrating enough. Our skin loses water faster over time. And if you're not replenishing that hydration from the inside out and outside in, you'll notice deeper expression lines, uneven texture, lack of radiance. Moisturizing isn't a luxury. It's an absolute necessity. Now that you know what not to do, let me show you exactly what works. This is the routine I follow that changed my skin. and that I recommend for any woman over 40 who wants to feel confident again. And look, it doesn't have to be complicated. Actually, the simpler, the better. Because consistency is more important than quantity. Let's start with the morning. The first step is gentle cleansing. No harsh soaps that leave your skin feeling tight. Use a hydrating, gentle cleanser that cleans without stripping your natural oils. Your skin needs that protection. I use lukewarm water, massage gently, and pat dry without rubbing. The second step is vitamin C. This one's my favorite. Vitamin C isn't just for lightening dark spots. It protects against free radicals, stimulates collagen production, and gives that incredible glow. But pay attention, it needs to be a stable, well-formulated serum. And always in the morning, before sunscreen. The third step is moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is like a sponge. It pulls moisture into the skin and holds it there. This makes all the difference in the appearance of fine lines and skin firmness. Always use it on slightly damp skin to maximize the effect. The fourth step is sunscreen SPF 50 or higher, non-negotiable, every day, even at home, even when it's cloudy. I prefer the tinted ones because they also help even out skin tone and protect against blue light. The first step is double cleansing. At night, I do a double cleanse. First an oil or micellar water to remove sunscreen and makeup, then the gentle cleanser again. Because clean skin absorbs the actives you're going to apply afterwards much better. The second step is retinol or retinoids. This is the anti-aging ingredient. There's no getting around it. Retinol stimulates cell renewal, increases collagen, improves texture, lightens dark spots. It does everything, but it needs to be introduced slowly. Start twice a week and increase as your skin adapts. And always at night, because it's photosensitive. The third step is peptide-rich moisturizer. Peptides are essential after 40. They help rebuild the skin's structure, improve firmness, and help with collagen production. At night, I use a denser, more nourishing moisturizer that will work while I sleep. And there's an optional fourth step. Facial oil dot. If your skin is very dry, finish with an oil. It seals in your entire routine and makes sure nothing evaporates during the night. I use rosehip oil or squalane. It makes an incredible difference. Now, there are some extras that make a difference. Once or twice a week, do gentle chemical exfoliation. Acids like lactic or mandelic help remove dead cells without aggressing the skin. This improves texture, radiance, and absorption of other products. Once a week, use a hydrating mask. A self-care moment that really works. Choose masks rich in hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or niacinamide. And always, always, water, water, water. I know it sounds cliché, but hydrating from the inside out is just as important as applying cream. Your skin reflects what you put in your body. You know, I once read a quote that stayed with me. It said, "Aging is a privilege, aging well is a choice." And I believe that with all my heart. It's not about erasing who you are or fighting against time. It's about taking care of yourself with kindness, with intention, with love. Because you deserve to feel good in your skin. Literally, look, I'm not going to promise you miracles. I'm not a dermatologist, I'm not an expert. I am just a woman like you who decided to stop wasting time and money on things that don't work and start doing what really matters. And if you made it this far, I know you want this too. You want to wake up and feel beautiful, confident, yourself. You want to look in the mirror and like what you see. And I'm telling you, it's possible. No matter your age, no matter what state your skin is in right now, what matters is that you start. Because taking care of yourself isn't vanity. It's self-love. It's respect. It's you telling yourself, I deserve to feel good. Oh, and to make your life easier, I've left a list of all the products I mentioned in the video description. That way, you don't have to write everything down while you're watching. If this video touched you in any way, leave a comment telling me, what was the mistake you identified with the most? Or which product do you most want to try now? Your opinion is very welcome. And if you want more tips like this, subscribe to Renewed You40s and hit that notification bell. Because I'm here every week bringing you real content, no fluff, made from woman to woman. Take care of yourself, okay? You deserve it.